In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps how to add or remove members to a team in ClickUp. To do that, click your account on the upper right hand side, then click on Settings. On the left hand side, click Teams, and here you will find any teams that are created. And from here, you can create teams as well. It's super easy. Just click on Create Team and you give the team a name. Let's call this one Drew, and let's save it. So as you can see, I have two teams right here. So let's say I want to add someone to a team. Look towards the right hand side of a team and you will find add members. Click on that and you can add whatever. So I'm going to add myself as a first member of the team, and I'm going to do the same for the second team as well. So as you can see right here, I've added myself. Second team here, I'm going to add myself. And so that's how you can add. To remove a member from a team, you just need to find the members in a team. Click on, for example, the section for members, and you can see that you have the option to basically remove the member. So if you hover over the member, you can click and there's an X to remove the member, right? So that's it. Or you can go ahead and basically click on one of the members and it's going to expand all who are in the team, and you can just hover over them and click X, and that's the person remove. And that's it.